Hi everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. I had lots of rainbow colours left over. I did some really bright, colourful rainbow table mats recently as a commission, and I had 10 rainbow colours left over. So I thought, what am I going to do with them? They've all got a little bit of oil in them, a bit of coconut milk hair serum. There's 10 colours. So what I decided to do was to get my 5-chamber split cup and then layer them up. So put 5 colours at the bottom of the split cup and then 5 layers on the top. So what you'll see I've done, I did a ring pour with the split cup. So it came out beautifully, a really beautiful rainbow ring pour. But there was silicone in it. So what I was able to do afterwards was really delicately torch in certain places to create just like a row of cells where there was a row to follow the line of the ring pour. So it came out really, really beautifully. I didn't talk when I was filming because it was the end of the day and it was an experiment, but because it came out so well, I was so happy with it. I'm going to share it with you. So I'll put some music to it, time lapse it so you don't get bored, and yeah, then show you the dry result at the end. I absolutely love this piece. It's full on, it's colourful, it's slightly dark. I think in hindsight I could have done with a little bit of white in one of the chambers just to mix it up a little bit. But wow, I love using a split cut because the colours just do not muddy. There's virtually no muddying in this. You've just got all the separate colours, which I love. Let me take you into in for a close-up. So first of all, I kept that middle, that really neat centre. And I love this section here where there's no cells. It's just the uninterrupted centre of that ring pour. Really pretty. And then you can see I had a lot of control over where the cells went. So no cells here in the centre, but cells above and cells below. So I torched just in straight lines, or sorry, in curved lines, but lines that went with the flow of the paint. So you can see it went all the way around there and then down, and then the cells seemed to stop. I put some cells on this bottom panel here. Now that bit's beautiful. It's like a limey green with the purple. Really pretty. You'll notice in the video I put some tape on the top and the bottom of the canvas as I was tilting, so just purely to stop all the paint falling off over the edge too soon. Let me show you in the light because it's quite shiny. So you can see the iridescent green there, the greenish yellow with the purple. You can also see some of the iridescent colour there. There's a bit of turquoise. Yeah, really, really pretty. So I'm actually really keen to go again, do some more ring pours like this with my split cut, because I just, love the results. Love the fact that you've got the separate colours without the muddying. Great, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think of this painting, of the technique. Please do hit the thumbs up button if you like it. Great, take care, thank you. Bye.